Hello everyone, welcome to Thor's Machinery. Please check us out on thorsmachinery.com, or you can also purchase this product on Amazon. Just wanted to go ahead and demonstrate an unboxing of what you would get from us when you purchase this beautiful drill. Once again, I apologize in advance. This is a voiceover, so if the video is going ahead of me, I'll do my best to keep up with the speed. But overall, just wanted to show you the accessories that it comes with it. So obviously you got the hammer plate, the charger, and it comes with a 2 battery along with the attachment. The unique thing about the drill is a 2-in-1. So not only is a drill, but you can also use the back as a hammer, which is a patent unique feature that I think many of you been waiting for to utilize. So I hope that you guys like this product. If you haven't gotten your product yet, I highly recommend you to go visit Amazon or our website and get your product while it lasts until the next batch that we receive. So when you open up, you are welcomed with a hard case, as you can see, with a cushion cover. Here's your user manual. Highly recommend you to go over the user manual for safety reasons and recommendations. Obviously, this is a powered drill, so use it wisely and stay safe. As you open up the box, you're welcomed with a drill bits that comes with it, free of charge. Obviously comes in with the whole price, along with 2 additional drill bits that are customed for special projects. This entire product, the 2 batteries, the charger with the accessories, comes in at $99 US dollars, I should say, from the time recording this video. Here's your battery. This is your first battery, and I think everyone who's a handyman would really appreciate that a drill that comes with 2 batteries rather than just a single one and have to purchase a second one separately. And here's your charger. Overall, just demonstrating on how to charge your battery. Self-explanatory. I don't think really I need to show you exactly how to do it, but there it is. Now on to the main piece, and I'm not saying this because I'm part of Thor's Machinery, but I wish you could actually see it in real life. I'm hoping that you guys will buy your product and you will review us truly and honestly. The quality on this drill is amazing. The moment you actually hold it, you can really feel the quality. What I'm showing you here is really basically the attachment right on this side. It's on the right side of the drill. You can attach the form of attachment that I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward. So the video is going to fast forward in few, but overall what I'm trying to demonstrate here is how to attach this accessory into your actual drill. This accessory allows you to attach drill bits, any form of accessories that comes with the drill. So we're just going to go ahead and once again we're just going to fast forward through the process. All it is really a screw that you screw into this metal piece and you call it a day, as you can see over here. And obviously all the tools are provided, so you don't need to purchase any additional tools to attach this. There you go, and I'm going to go ahead and show you kind of like what type of accessories that you can attach. Here's one of your attachment. I really like this drill. It reminds me of another device that I really can't say much, especially on video, but it really gives you that good feel, nice grip. That light indicates the battery charge. Overall, it's a great quality. If you haven't had the chance yet, once again, check us out on thorsmachinery.com. I'm going to go ahead and paste a link through the video, but also check us out on Amazon and get your product soon. Right now, we are selling it at $99 US dollars. We might be throwing in a promo code, but please check us out. And if you're interested, let us know. And if you are an influencer that you would like to get a hold of this drill, let us know. Maybe we can ship something for you. at a discounted price, and maybe you can give us a review. And we highly recommend anyone to just take the time, go in, purchase your drill, and let us know what you guys think. I hope you guys like it. It's a great value for what you get. Overall, welcome to Thor's Machinery. This is it. This is the tool in one that's going to change history.